Hello everyone, welcome to Top Product Insights. Today I will be reviewing you the Ninja Professional Blender, which is 1000 watts. And this blender is fantastic and it's very powerful. And it contains 1000 watts, so it has the total crushing technology ability. And behind this box, it shows you that it could crush your ice, and it could crush almost all like very tiny particles into tiny pieces, just like snow. So that's why it says ice into snow in seconds. And you can make your smoothies, your juices like fruit juice, vegetable juice, and add ice into it and make some delicious drinks. And you can blend everything. You can make like delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies as well. And this is the by far the most professional and powerful blender that you can get off the market. And it's really easy to use. Like you just have to plug it in and then just power it on. And if you press low, this is the low mode, and then you press it back to stop it. If you want medium, you click medium, and then you can stop it by clicking it. And then high, and then you can see how fast the pressure is and how it goes really smooth. And it's really simple, so it only have like three mode to it, so low, medium, high. And you can there's actually a release button over here, you can see right here. So once you click on this, it's going to do this, and then you just lift it up, and then there you go, you just open it. So the Ninja Blender, it comes with the manual book and as well as a guide. And this guide, it actually contains like recipes of smoothies, fruit juices, vegetable juices, and different types of sauces you can make out of this. So when you go over here, it shows you like the introduction, and then it shows you like what it comes with, what type of parts, and how you assemble this very quickly. It's very easy. And right over here, it shows you all the recipes. So from smoothies, cocktails, frozen treats, sauces, dips, sides, soups. And it starts off from the smoothies. So you'll see over here that this is the smoothie section. So this is a wake up smoothie. And then over here, this is a strawberry banana smoothie that you can make. And then this is a green paradise smoothie with spinach and pineapple, frozen mango. And this one is another smoothie you can make, and it's a banana shake. This one is a green smoothie, and this is like with the English cucumber, spinach, cantaloupe, melon, fresh lime juice, coconut water. This one is another one with coconut water, pineapple, mango. It's called the Island Sunrise Smoothie. And then the pomegranate smoothie. This one is a autumn blush smoothie. This one is one of the cocktails. And then this is another cocktail you can make. And then this is another one. See, it's listed over here, cocktails. And then there's another one. And then over here is going to show you the frozen treats. So from here, it's even highlighted in different colors. So purple was actually for cocktails. Now this green lime color is for the frozen treats that you can make from this blender. Frozen treats. And then there's this color is highlighted in blue, which shows the sauces, dips, and sides that you can make. And these are all the ones. This is another buttermilk ranch dressing sauce. It's a dressing right here. This is basil. This is a marinara sauce, broccoli, cheddar soup. Oh, okay, now it starts with soups now. So You can make these types of soups from this blender. This is another one. And this is a roasted garlic Roma tomato sauce tomato soup. So this is actually pretty handy if you want to try out some new recipes. And also, even on the box itself, if you look over here, when you open up the box, it shows the Ninja Find More Recipes and product information. So they have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and there's many other social media websites here. And if you're having trouble, then there's a number to call. And they also have YouTube channel for the Ninja Professional Blender. And overall, this professional blender is really easy to use. So it's not like too many buttons. It's very simple. And you can just make vegetable juice. Great for diet plan. Vegetable juice, fruit juices. And they're pretty healthy too at the same time. Because it doesn't contain like sugars that you can find in stores. They're like, it contains artificial flavors and a lot of sugar in those fruit juices. So if you want to keep your life healthy and stay healthy, then I would recommend you to get one of these blenders. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comment down on what you think about this blender. And I hope to see you in the next video.